Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to grind chicken in a mini food processor. If you want ground chicken for any of your recipes like kheema, kebab, meatballs, etc., then and don't want to use store-bought ground chicken, then this is a good alternative. So let me show you how to grind chicken at home in a mini food processor. So to prepare grind chicken, I'm going to show you what kind of pieces I use. These are the boneless pieces of thighs and drumsticks that I use because I feel they have more flavor in them and they do not dry out when they are cooking. So I like to use boneless pieces of boneless leg pieces. I'm going to start by adding a few pieces of chicken into this food processor. Like I mentioned, this is a mini food processor, so I have to do it in batches. And then I'm going to start. First I'll use the chop function. And you can see it's grinding the chicken really well. So from the look of it, I can see that it is done and it hardly took time, like just a couple of seconds. And I'm going to empty this into a bowl and I'll show it to you later on how it looks. I finished grinding the chicken pieces and it took less than a minute to finish about a pound of chicken pieces that I had. And if you have a regular processor, then this step is even quicker. And you can see how nice it looks. Now this ground chicken, you can use it or you can freeze it for later use. I usually pack it in a freezer bag and if I don't want to use it right away, and freeze it for later. So I'm just going to add all of this in the freezer bag. So here the ground chicken is all packed in this freezer bag and I'm going to put it in the freezer and use it whenever I want. To show you how the ground chicken looks like when it is cooked. So I'm right now I have some oil heating in this pan and I'm going to add the chicken to it. This chicken has already been washed, so I'm not going to wash it again. We'll lower the heat a bit. You can already see the texture of the chicken. I'm going to add some seasoning. Mix it. This is all mixed well. I'm now going to place the lid and allow it to cook until it's done. This is how the ground chicken looks like after it is cooked, and look how beautiful it looks. Now you can use this for anything. So you see how easy it was to grind chicken at home. Wasn't it quick also? It is also a less expensive option from a store-bought ground chicken. If you'll have any questions regarding this video, make sure to comment below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.